Hello and welcome to this week's craft. This week we're going to be making a maze/obstacle course that is in the theme of pumpkins. Let's get started. Here are the materials you will need: pumpkin stickers, our tissue paper squares, our green ribbon archways, our pumpkins, and our puffball, and then the plate obviously to put it on. First thing you want to do is glue one end of the green paper strip. Then go ahead and glue the other end. After you have both sides glued, go ahead and put them down into an arch position. You really do want to press on each ends to make sure that they're nice and glued down into the plate. And then go ahead and do that for the rest of the green strips. Now time for the paper squares. This is a little bit more open-ended. You can really do whatever you want with these paper squares, but what we are doing is gluing both sides and covering one of the archways to make it sort of an obstacle. But you don't have to do that. You can do whatever you want. You can make them obstacles, or you could just add a little bit of texture to your course. You can even enclose them to make them little flowers or little balls. And once again, just adding texture and character to the obstacle course. Now time for the orange puffballs. You're going to be doing the same sort of thing that you were doing with the paper, just gluing them down and putting them wherever you see fit. Next are the pumpkin patch stickers. You want to go ahead and peel off the back, and then after that, just put them wherever you want. And last but not least, our puffball, to actually play the obstacle that we made. That is our starting point, and now we're playing. I hope you guys have fun decorating and playing your little obstacle course.